Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for the updates. Select extrude here, select the front plane, create 3 circles. Give the dimensions. Outer dia is 150 and 90 and 120. Select this circle. Here click for construction. Next, create center lines. Select circle again, create circle, next select trim the unwanted lines. Select line here, create line like this. So we no need to trim, we can leave like this also. So if you trim, we need to give one more dimension here, or we can delete the tangent constraint. Let's try with the trim. Okay, so now here center there is a 2 diameters 50 and 30. Friends, I am trying to do in a single sketch. Here there is a 3 holes, that diameter is 15 mm. Give the dimension. Select this circle, select here circular pattern. So we need only 3. Here delete this, give 90 degree. 45. Okay. Again select the circle, circular pattern. So we need only 3. Here remove this, give 45 degree. Okay. So that's it. Let's try with the extrude. This and this, here select symmetric, the thickness is 15 mm. Okay. Select sketch again, extrude, select this circular part, the distance is 48 mm. Okay. Select sketch again, extrude, select this face and this face, mid plane, the thickness is 25 mm. Control 7 for ISO view. So that's it friends. Think we have done with the single sketch. So select fillet here, give 5 mm. Okay. Assign material here, aluminum, polished aluminum. Go to edit appearances, so assign some color here. These walls we can give some other color. Select edit appearances, here select face, so remove this part, select the faces, assign some other color. So this will be for understanding the machining, I think. So that's the today's session friends. I hope everyone enjoyed this session, and also I am requesting please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session friends. We will see you in the next session.